You know the feeling when you're missing some element in your life, but you can't really identify what it is. And that is kitesurfing for me. That is everything I can think about. And what kitesurfing brings to me is that you can really disconnect from the other aspects in life. It's more like exploring what is possible, what can I do. But with my body, with my mind, with everything come together, you don't really want to do anything else when it's the right conditions, so you just want to be out there. My name is Kaja Eichler, and I work as Head of Sustainability for Business Area Buildings at AFRY. I have worked at AFRY for 5 years now, and why I chose to work at AFRY is because we work with all aspects in society when it comes to technology. Society is moving in a more sustainable direction. And many of the city's challenges lie in the digital solutions. For instance, sensors to predict and manage energy use in buildings, and connected systems to mitigate climate effects such as floods and droughts. It's important to us that we shape the livable future. And it's because in the year 2050, the United Nations estimates that 70% of the population lives in cities. But at the same time, the cities represent 70% of the greenhouse gas emissions. And that is why we focus on sustainable solutions for the cities and for the people in the cities. It's really exciting to work with the future work life and the future workplace. And from the pandemic we have seen that it has really got us to rethink how we shape the future workplace. And what I think that we will see more of is this flexible and sustainable co-working spaces, which is for people to be able to meet. For instance, a project I have been a part of, a working lab, which is a flexible and sustainable co-working space, meeting place and innovation lab, and probably that's what we will see more of in the future. For me it's important to work with something that has an impact and where I can contribute with my competence, with my knowledge and with my energy. I work at AFRY where we are making future, we are contributing to a more sustainable society with our sustainable solutions, and to be part of that transition is very important to me. What I have learned from kitesurfing is that there's a limit to how much you can plan, and when you go to the beach you have normally expectations on how the conditions will be, and sometimes you arrive there and the wind is not blowing, and that's something that I bring into my work life, where we normally also plan a lot and try to forecast how things will happen, and then when they don't really go according to plan, how you make the best out of it and how do you also adapt to new situations. So I'm very happy that I have found that for myself.